You're gonna pick my nose now. He's seriously picking my nose right now.
Well, don't let him do that. Just wait till he grabs your eyelashes.
I don't want him to. Has he really grabbed your eyelashes?
You pull him out. Oh, I'll be sleeping. I'll be completely sleeping and he'll go in.
That's so funny.
He does that to you, Rachel?
Yeah.
Do you know what he used to do to me?
What?
He used to pry my eyes open.
Did I tell you the other day he was trying to pull his ears off?
Oh.
Cry.
Yeah, they get itchy.
Goodness gracious. Look at the little armpit. Look at the little armpit.
Isn't it ticklish, armpit? Isn't it ticklish?
It's so small. What a No.
Oh, got it.
What happened?
Well, they got the first down, but they don't have a timeout. So the clock's ticking.